Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on a chicken favorite of mine, which is the jerk chicken. And a lot of people ask me, where does that come from? And uh, let's see. So jerk is uh, comes from jerky. It also means seasoning, and it's a Jamaican uh, dir- uh, dish. And you can buy jerk seasoning already set up for you, so that makes it a lot easier. Also remember that seasoning is a spicy dish, and you can level up the spice depending on your likeness. So to kind of get into it, I have a recipe by our friend Gordon Ramsay. Okay, and the things that you in regards to his book, it's the Ramsay Home Cooking. Again, I use a lot of these as bases to teach people. And these have been tested recipes also by myself and customer approval, so I know they work. Okay, so the main ingredients, you have Worcestershire sauce, chili, and they always go to Bonnet chili, right? Which a lot of people say, what are the Bonnet chili, Scotch Bonnet chili, and they look like small red pepper. So the chilies or peppers, the spice, the heat can vary depending on what you like. Okay, you can use red hot and what have you, or you can use a powdered chili of any sort. Just heat requires a little heat, right down to cracked pepper, or no heat. Garlic, clove, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and some thyme sprig, which thyme is perfect for chicken. Thyme and chicken go together hand in hand. Okay, and fresh cracked black pepper, oil. Okay, and Worcestershire. Okay, so the way he talks about putting it together is he talks about scoring the meat. Score the meat so you can get the marinade in the meat easier. Marinating the meat in a Ziploc for an hour to overnight. He recommends, and that's what I do. All right, you're gonna sear the meat in an oven-proof pan. Okay, until it's golden brown. Look how beautiful that is. The flavor's awesome, right? You can also do this on a grill. You can set it up on a grill and then finish it off in the oven. Okay. Um, so adding all your ingredients for the marinade and rubbing it down with oil and then sear it. Then you're going to cover it and again bring it up to 170 degrees. Then let it rest. And his suggestion is serving it hot with rice and the thyme sprigs. But so that's his recipe there. Okay. Again, the chilies are the base, the heat, and then you have the clove, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the allspice. Okay, cracked pepper. Okay, so those are the mains. And again, you can use this on any meat. Okay. And just to go over some of the histories, I study the history of everything I show or cook. It's important in the food business is to understand the history of things. And where did jerk come from? Jamaican jerk spice. Caribbean. Some people say Caribbean. Word jerk comes from charqui, Spanish term charqui, origin for jerked or dried meat, came from the word jerky. All right, so jerk comes from dried meat, jerky. One of the famous techniques in Jamaica is barrels. Barrels are fired with charcoal, enhances a spicy, smoky taste. So it's traditionally done on a half barrel with charcoal, hardwood charcoal. Okay. So see what I'm saying when you look at the history and the original techniques. And jerky stands, jerky centers, frequently found in Jamaica, in the nearby Cayman Islands. You know, purchased along with hard dough bread, bammy. They call it bammy. That's another thing, bammy, which is a flatbread. Cassava bammy, flatbread, usually with fish. Jamaican fried dumplings, known as Johnny cakes. Yeah. Okay, guys. Hope this helped you understand jerky in a short video here. All right, guys, enjoy. Thanks, Gordon.